way to Carlsbad, and I already saw the project, so I know what to expect. Where you could go with that bullshit.
Joey, this is our level.
I think from the second,
Don't do it.
The second or third window.
Headed to Las Cruces. So y'all just came from there. I'm going that way. So these guys are getting started on a new job. We're coming through. We're prepping. We're gonna put artificial grass through here. So this whole area is gonna have artificial grass. So Richie's already getting started on grading. Give it on a fine grading. Now we can start bringing the crusher fine in, packing that down, and put the grass in. It's about to rain on us, but I think it's gonna be really cool. So it's gonna be 7,000 square feet of artificial grass. So
Well, the ground it wasn't to grade where we needed it to be, so we're gonna go back through, throw our levels on there, and make sure our grade slopes away from the building. So when it does rain, none of the puddling slopes toward the building. So we gotta take out a lot of dirt. That's what we're doing right now, because it wasn't here before. It wasn't graded before, so now we're grading it. Bada bing, bada boom.
Now we got our board, now we can start laying our crusher fines right here. We gave it an inch drop right here, so that we can rest it on the concrete. Our forms on this side, so that way when we screed it, it'll be nice and straight all the way through. So far so good, other than the heat. Waiting for these clouds to come in. It's a nice day today. So a thing that we're doing with this board, we ran a string line from this piece of concrete all the way to that piece of concrete, and then a string line from that piece of concrete all the way to this concrete. Instead of having to smooth it out all the way through, we're breaking it down in sections. This is only 12 feet. We're gonna do 12 feet at a time. Another 12 feet, another 12 feet, another 12 feet. The same situation, and it'll float in all the way through. But we're prepping it up. We're taking off as many rocks as we can, so that way there's no divots, no little lumps. We're trying to fill in all the little holes, make it nice and flat, so that way when we roll it, it's nice and flat all the way through, and we don't have to work at it so hard. It'll be nice and flat. As long as we get the big rocks out, we're good.
We're seaming these two pieces of fake grass, doing it every 6 inches. This one's about 6 inches, so that's just my measuring. Right now I'm just doing it on this side because we got to do an adjustment on this side. Once that's done, I'll seam this other side, and it's damn hot.
Putting this sleeve in, it's going to be for the poles for the volleyball net, so it needs to be level sideways and vertically, so that way when they put the poles in, they're going to be nice and straight. Boom, level that way, boom, level that way. All we have to do is put the rest of the concrete, let it set, and it'll be ready for the poles. It's a hot day, that's what we do.
So we're gonna go to the material center here in Carlsbad to get some fine sand. That will be the fill for the fake grass. Once we spread that in there, we'll brush it with the power brush. But we gotta go get the sand now.
A nice layer, so that way when we brush it in, it stands up the bristles nice and tall. It's hot.
We are headed to Roswell. We're passing through Artesia right now because we have completed the Carlsbad project. We finished it about midday, no, about 1 o'clock. I don't know what time. Well, the project is complete. Came out good. We finished ahead of schedule. So now we're headed to Roswell. It's gonna be hot there too. You're not gonna use it, are you, Jorge?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use it.
Of course you will.